That's all about the world today, as you can understand by listening to the words about the world as we now living in. Fucking crazy, isn't it? Who says no? It's fucking crazy. Anyway, this is not working. Thank you, Mikey. You forgot to turn it on. These are little kind of, these are like radio things that send a signal to the clever. This is a song which I really like. You might not know it, but it's from an album I did a few years back. And a lot of it's to do with being mixed up and my father and all kinds of shit. It's called Lost in Flame.